Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS Flexbox. So to use the CSS property Flexbox, we use this display property and set the value to flex. And the idea behind it is that usually you want to have columns inside because it's a box model on CSS and you have one element and then it goes on another element. But if you want something on the side of it, we can use display flex. Without it, you can do it, but you have to float your element in the inline block. But this is just another way, an easier way to have columns and such. So for example, we see here, we want to add the display box container, and I said it, we want to add the CSS property display to box container and set its value to flex. So here, box container, display flex, and we're going to see it's going to move aligned to each other. And why does it do that? Because we have this container div, and instead of this, there's two boxes, and then each box of it is 50%, so it takes half of them. And we can see if we take this 10%, this is going to be 10, and this is going to take up 50%, the rest of it too. So throughout this course, we're going to learn more about CSS because there's a lot to it. CSS Flexbox, I mean. And that's it. Thank you so much.